Alright, determine the best method. So we have three techniques to solve linear equations. So we could graph them, that's what we learned first. We could use substitution, or we could use elimination. They say 5, elimination by adding, elimination by subtracting, and multiplying by. Alright, so let's look at our example here and see which technique would be best. Alright, at a baseball game, Henry bought 3 hot dogs and a bag of chips, and it cost him $14. Scott bought 2 hot dogs and a bag of chips for $10. Each of the boys paid the same price for their hot dogs and the same price for their chips. Obviously, the following system of equations can be used to represent the situation. Determine the best method to solve. Alright, so let's take a peek here at Henry and Scott. Alright, so we got Henry here. 3 hot dogs, a bag of chips, cost him $14. Alright, what does that mean? Well, let's see here. We got 3 hot dogs. What if I make H hot dogs? So I got 3H. So if each hot dog costs $1 and I bought 3 of them, that's $3. If each of them costs $2 and I have 3 of them, that's $6. So it's H is number of hot dogs. A bag of chips, I'm just going to use B for bag of chips. So A means there's just one of them. And that equals $14. Alright. Now let's look at Scotty. Alright, so we got Scott, 2 hot dogs, a bag of chips, and $10. Alright. So 2 hot dogs, 2H this time. A bag of chips, so 1 bag again. And this time we have $10. Alright, since neither the coefficients of x nor the coefficients of y are additive inverses, H and B is what I used. You cannot use elimination, direct elimination, okay? Since the coefficients of the B here, we use B for bags of chips, is 1, we're going to use a subtraction technique, okay? So, in other words, so let's rewrite our top one. 3H plus 1B equals 14. And let's make this bottom one, so they say we're going to minus or subtraction. Let's make them opposite signs. 2H minus 2H minus 1B equals negative 10. Alright. So now let's eliminate. Well, B's eliminate. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1H equals 14 minus 10 is 4. So hot dogs cost $4. Okay. And so the hot dog costs $4. And a bag of chips. How do we know how a bag of chips costs? Well, let's plug it back in. Doesn't matter which one. Let's top. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus B equals 14 minus 12 minus 12. B equals 2. So each bag of chips is $2. Alright.